Alright guys, so we're hiking up this little trail. We're almost to the, well, we are to the top of the waterfall. There's a, it's like dirt muddy trail that leads all the way up to the top and then around this, around the river that leads into the big waterfall. But what's crazy is that the river's more like a stream up here. It's just a tiny little flow of water. I mean, it's jamming pretty good. But it just blows my mind at how a little tiny stream can turn into this like massive beautiful waterfall that like everybody wants to stop at and take pictures. So
get done with you. Listen, I can call you mine. Once more, then I swear we are through.
all right, so we just left the top fall up at the Latourell, I'm not totally sure how to pronounce it, but I'll put a link on the bottom. Carry feet. I'll put a link on the bottom on how to spell it so you guys can look it up and check it out. But we just got done up at the top fall, and now we're gonna head back down. Alright, so I told you guys I would show you how small or how big the stream is up here. It's just like a little tiny stream. And so the fall, we hiked to the top fall, which was that giant one that like puddled over, that everybody was like climbing underneath, taking pictures and shooting video. And then it leads down to this like little tiny baby stream right here that's flowing pretty good. And then it launches back down to the giant waterfall that's like more of the tourist attraction.
Get done with you. Listen, I can call you mine. Once more, then I swear we are through.
Alright, so we're headed back to the car. Just did that hike, took some pictures. We had to put the dog in the car because he was going crazy. So now we are walking away from that beautiful fall. I'm gonna head back to Portland. And I think that's it for the day.
I just wanna get done with you. Listen, I can call you